hope you enjoyed the first part of this video, and there will be more coming up very soon, so you should just look forward to that. So I'm right back with the second part of the zoo series of Mysore. So have a look. I walked over to see the African grey parrot. You can see it clearly here. That's a sun conure. Really bright and cute looking creatures there. That's a rainbow lorikeet, and it does not really look like the Indian parakeet kind. So it looks really different. And nor does it look like any of the huge parrots that you must have seen. We do have the Indian parakeet as well. So that's a couple of ones over there. You can see clearly. Let me bend a little. That's a really colorful species. It's called dusky lorry. I have never come across this name or this species ever in my life. So I don't think it's pretty clear. Can you see it? A little more. I have with me the silver pheasant. Pretty good looking and colorful here. This one's lifespan is just about 10 years. The male stopped by the grey jungle fowl. And here they are. The scarlet macaw with me here. Really huge, really colorful. And this one is another species of parrot, Electus parrots. That's a Malaccan cockatoo, and they're generally found in Indonesia. I have with me the custard capuchin. It's a species of monkey, and there are many, if you can see. I'm on my way to see the black-necked swan and maybe some other species that are in there. I'm glad they have this really vast acre of land for something like this. I have with me the Asiatic lion. I don't know how old he is. I don't really know how old he is, but he's really huge and he's too far away for me to see him close. But I quite like the view. I think he's a single one. So this is a gaur. It's mostly found in Southeast Asia and some other countries, including Vietnam. There is a zoo hospital around in the premises itself, so I'm assuming the animals get good treatment. And looks like I have some people trying to bother it too. So I'm taking this walk around this vast land, and as you can see it's full of greenery and a lot of nature and wildlife. At a distance I have the southern white rhino. That's the African cheetah taking a walk inside some closed premises. I'm not too sure, but maybe it's an endangered one and not too many in existence. I hope you enjoyed watching both the parts of this zoo series, and you can look forward to more videos from me in the days to come.